2024 promises to be an exciting year for wind farm developments. Very often, the sites chosen for wind farm constructions are difficult to access due to poor soil quality, and trucks with heavy loads to carry must circulate there. That's why today we'll be talking about soil and sub-base stabilization solutions for permanent or temporary access roads.
There are several solutions for stabilizing foundations and sub-foundations built on soft soils. In this short capsule, we will present two of them with their respective operating mechanism, limitations, and advantages.
Let's start with geotextiles. Geotextiles are very useful for first-level stabilization solutions as they offer a stabilization mechanism known as the membrane effect. This phenomenon reflects the behavior of geotextile laid on deformable soils and subject to vertical loadings. Geotextile will spread loads over a large surface area, though increasing the shear strength of adjacent soils and reducing the risk of rooting.
But that's not the only advantage of geotextiles. Thanks to their mechanical and hydraulic properties, they help to accelerate the consolidation of surface layers and provide lateral drainage, therefore improving freeze-thaw behavior.
The limit of geotextiles used primarily as soil stabilization function is related to the extensibility properties of the geotextile fibers. Needle-punched non-woven geotextiles offer many hydraulic and filtration advantages, but have a very high tensile modulus. As a result, geotextile fibers can stretch and deform, reducing soil stabilization. However, woven geotextiles have a lower tensile modulus, so offer a lower percentage of fiber extensibility and a better stabilization contribution as the membrane effect is achieved more quickly. On the downside, they have inferior hydraulic properties.
Now it's possible to combine the advantage of these two types of geotextile by needling them together to create a geocomposite. This is the type of geotextile most used for soil stabilization. We call this geocomposite the Geo9. This geocomposite can be used in soil with a shear strength of between 15 and 50 kPa and a plasticity index of less than 5. The Geo9 series is available in two products. The Geo9R1 is used to stabilize soft soil, and Geo9R2 is used to stabilize soft soil in the presence of fine particles, such as clay or CT soils.
Now, let's talk about another solution, this time a high-performance one, geogrids. The stabilization mechanism of a geogrid is different from the geotextiles one. It involves horizontal confinement by friction and granular interlocking. The granular material interwaves with the openings of the geogrids, creating a platform and though a more compact layer of aggregate that is more resistant to lateral stresses. Added to this is a mechanism of distributing loads over a large surface area, just as snowshoe does.
This reinforcement mechanism allows a significant reduction in granular material for equivalent performance. GeoGrid can be used on poor quality soils as soft as peat bogs.
GeoGrid not only reduces the amount of backfill use, it can also be used to increase the service life of roads infrastructures. As in this example, where a geogrid added to infrastructure increases the service life of this asphalt pavement by 4 times. Performance studies combining proven calculations methods and large-scale testing can be offered to determine the effect of the geogrid on infrastructure. But unlike geotextiles, geogrids offer only one function, which is stabilization. Therefore, they often need to be combined with the separation filtration geotextile.
The solutions proposed in this capsule are quick and easy to install, offer cost saving, reduce the environmental footprint of your project, and increase the resilience of your infrastructure. They are technical materials offering concrete solutions to the problem encountered on site where heavy transport must travel on permanent or temporary roads that must be built on soft ground, as in the case of wind farm construction projects.
We invite you to contact us if you have any specific questions about your project, so that we can help you determine the right solution for your needs.